Hello students, welcome to Jan classes. I'm Prachi Jan and today we will learn about how to write the basic HTML tag and run it. Firstly, we will see the introduction of HTML. The HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language and it is most widely used to write the web pages. If we have to create the web pages, then we should use the HTML tags. Then hypertext, what is meant by the hypertext? Hypertext refers to the way in which the web pages are linked together. Thus the link available on the web page is called the hypertext, and generally we write the linking in the blue font, and as we click on the blue font, then the other web page will be open. The HTML is the markup language, which means you use the HTML to simply the markup a text document with tag that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. So now to do the HTML coding or how to or to write the basic HTML tag and run it, we need the two browsers. The first one is the Notepad and the second one is the Google Chrome. So to do the coding, we will open the Notepad. In the HTML, there are different types of tags are available, and to do the basic HTML tagging, we use this type of different types of tagging. So firstly, to do the HTML tagging, you have to use the HTML tag, and and we will write the HTML tag in the angular bracket, and to close the HTML tag we will write the in angular bracket HTML. Okay, all the coding, all the activities will be done in this HTML tag. And HTML tag, this tag encloses the complete HTML document and the mainly comprises of documents header, which is represented by the head tag, and the document body, which is represented by the body tag. After that, we want the output in the web page as the hello world. That means on the web page we have the two words hello world in the body section. So we open the body section. We will open the body section by writing the body in the angular bracket, and to close the body tag in the body tag. Okay, so now we want the hello world in the body tag, so we will write the hello world and India. So India. Now save this file. To save the file, I will create one folder in the desktop. First tutorial. First tutorial, then first tutorial. And first tutorial.html. The HTML tag, HTML extension is compulsory. Okay, and then save. Now we have to run this. So open where we save the program. I save the program in the desktop. First click on this and open with the Internet Explorer, or you can use the Google Chrome also. I will use the Google Chrome. Hello world India. Okay, now we want the background as a red color, so we will write the coding in the body tag. bg color is the attribute, and the concept of the attribute and the value we will see in the next video. Okay, background bg color equals to red, because I want the bg color as the red. Save this by pressing the Ctrl S, and now again go on the web browser and refresh it. Okay, we get the red color. Okay, now I want this hello world in the bold font. Okay, to have to do the bold font, we will use the different types of styles tag. Okay, style tag. Okay, we know that different types of style means bold, italic, underline. Okay, firstly we will use the bold tag. Okay, we want hello world as a bold now, then we will write the B tag in front of B. Okay, and hello world India. So as we open the bold tag, so we close the bold tag. Control S. Again go on the Google Chrome and refresh it. By pressing the F5 we can refresh it. Okay, you can see the changes. Now again there are bold tag is done. Now we will use the italic tag. Okay, italic I we will use, and this is italic, this is italic. Okay, and closing italic tag. Okay, control S. Again go on the Google Chrome and refresh it. Go on the Google Chrome and refresh it. This is the italic. Okay, we want this tag in the next line, so we will use the break tag. Break tag you can use in the BR. Okay, control S. Go on the web Chrome and refresh it. You can see this line comes in the second line. Okay, now underline tag. For the underline tag you use the keyword U. This is underline, this is underline, and \U. Okay, control S. Then again refresh this. Again we want this in the next line, so you can use the paragraph tag as well as break tag. I will use the break tag. Okay, control S. Again refresh this. Okay, this comes in the next line. Now there are the bold, italic, underline done. There are the different types of headings are available in the HTML. So we will write different types of heading. There are the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 headings are available. Okay, so I will describe the difference. I will show you the difference between the different tags, different heading tags. Okay, firstly H1. Okay, H1 heading 1, heading 1. Okay, and as we open the heading 1, then we have to close that H1. Control S. Again refresh this heading 1. Now we use the heading 2, H2, heading 2, heading 2, H2. Okay, control S. Then again refresh this. You can see the difference between the sizes of the heading. Okay, now heading 3. For the headings we don't require the BR type. Okay, heading 4, heading 3. Okay, and close the. This is compulsory to close the every tag which we have opened. Okay, heading 3. Now heading food. Heading 4 backslash H4 Control S. Again go on the Google Chrome and refresh it. See the different sizes of the heading. Okay, H1 is the larger size, then H2 is small, then H3 is again small, and H4 is too much small. Okay, H4, then H5, heading 5 backslash H5 Control S. Again go on the Google Chrome and refresh this. Okay, this one is again small, and the last one is the H6. Last one is the H6. H6 heading 6 backslash H6 Control S and go on the Google Chrome. Again refresh it. In the next, this is all about the basic HTML. In the next lecture we will see the anchor tag, some of the font tag and use of the font tag, and the anchor tag and the attribute and the value. Okay, thank you.